so the letters, and basically it is quite important because, of course, when you learn a language, well, you get to know the letters and you want to pronounce it correctly. So this is exactly what we'll try to do here. I will show you the letters, okay? So we'll divide them into two groups, the vowels and the consonants, and then I will pronounce them, okay? So let's first start with the vowels. And in French, we have 6 vowels, 6 voyelles, okay? 6 voyelles, and the first one is A, E, I, O, U, Y. Okay, this one is quite tricky for some of you maybe, because maybe in your languages this Y is not a vowel but a consonant. In French it is a vowel. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, Y. Okay, and then let's see the consonants, and we've got 20 consonnes, so 20 consonants, and the first one is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z. Okay, so it's B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z. Okay, so it was just to present you these letters, so the 6 vowels and the 20 consonant that we do have in French. Don't worry, in the coming videos we will focus on the pronunciation and we'll see how to combine them and how to pronounce them when we combine them, okay? But then keep them in mind and try to practice on your own, okay?